Guzman. 3 points. Bola na kay Daquin. Astro. Answers is wrong. Ang foul by jersey number 8, Akyatan. First personal foul, second team foul. Lawrence. 2 points. Abang sa isa, 25-4. Daquin. Dadaquin to Iverson Akyatan. Too strong. Rebound by Pass. Grace na lang ang pushing na rin. Chris. Ice Sky. Anas to Flores. Struggling violation. Bola bigay kay Daquin to Santos. Santos, balik kay Daquin sa labas. Daquin from pass. Akyatan from Daquin. Guzman. Bounce pass Flores. Flores to Anos. Anos for 3. 3 points. Tabla na naman tayo. Open 7-9 seconds in the first quarter. Starting pass kay Santos. Santos, tahanap na shooter. Ikaw pass kay Castro. Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. Daquin.